Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
Title: The Magical Kids World.
In a world where dreams can fly, clouds are cotton candy in the sky. Trees are made of chocolate bars and kids ride rainbows to the stars. Unicorns dance in the sunny streams. Puppets made of marshmallow dreams. Dragons play hide and seek with glitter and castles as tall as the tallest tree. The seas are filled with lemonade. Ice cream mountains never fade. Cats that soar on sugar sweet tailed eagles and laughter everywhere. Bicycles zoom on jelly roads where magic sparkles and explodes. Kids can talk to birds and bees and fly like butterflies in the breeze. In this world, there's fun galore. Adventure hides behind each shore with every step. So close your eyes and take a ride up to this magical world that's tucked inside, where fun and magic never end, and every kid's a lifelong friend.
Thanks for watching my videos.